Hello everyone, happy morning. Today I thought let me share with you my personal skin routine, the morning skin routine, so that it can benefit you as well to get a natural, healthy and glowing skin. तो चलिए बहुत सिंपल है, very simple steps I use, but I make sure that I follow them daily and it has really helped me out. So while I'm doing it, I'll also explain you all the benefits of it. So come, let's see. So first step, washing the face with any of your favorite face wash and then wipe it. The second step is I rub ice cube on my skin. So these are the small ice cubes, so I'm gonna take just two, and I always keep one little cloth like this to keep the ice cubes in it. I've rolled it out in a towel and then slowly I'm gonna rub on my skin. Okay, gently. I'm not gonna push it hard, just slow and gentle rub on your skin. Make sure you do not keep the ice cubes on the same place for a longer time. Just keep it moving and roll it over your skin all over the face. uh, so why I do this? Because this is suitable for all the skin types, and especially it helps to reduce the oiliness on your skin. So the people who have oily skin, it is very benefit to you. Whenever you wake up in the morning, after cleansing your face, just take one ice cube and make sure you do not apply it directly over face, because for few people, for few skin types it is suitable, for few they get rashes, so it can also damage your skin if you apply it directly. So make sure you wrap it over a small cotton cloth and then you apply it. So this will help reduce the redness, will overcome the wrinkles, especially under the eyes what you have, the puffy eyes and all those. So ice cubes, rubbing ice cubes is helpful for all those things. So just you have to rub it only for 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. Okay, just keep rubbing it slowly until when you touch your skin, it should feel cold. So that is when you actually stop. So I'm almost done. The ice cubes are now melted. So that's it. Now I'm not gonna wipe my skin. I leave as it is for few minutes until it gets dried, and then we'll move to the next step. So my skin is now dried, and the next step and the last step is aloe vera gel. So I really love aloe vera gel because this benefits your skin a lot. The first thing is it contains 98% of water, so it will always moisturize your skin the entire day. It will keep it moisturized, and it will help you reducing all the bacterial and all the swelling, inflammation into your skin, and it will keep your skin hydrated. So that is the very important thing what your skin requires when you step out of the home or even when you are at home. So your skin hydration is very important. So keeping that in mind, I use aloe vera gel. I am using Patanjali brand. You can use any of the brand, whichever is of your choice. And if you have a aloe vera plant in home, the best option is take it directly from the plant and then apply the gel. Let's take a little of it. That's it, the quantity, and then we'll first apply as a dot over your face. So after applying, slowly massage all over your face until it dries a little, and then leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Initially you will feel that your face looks quite wetty, or it gives you a little sticky look, but after 15 minutes, once it is settled onto your skin, then you'll perfectly feel good about it. So I'll leave it for 15 minutes. It is dried. This is how your skin will look, and pretty you and me are now ready to start our day. So please, it's a kind request, pamper yourself, pamper your skin, love yourself. So anybody can do this, anybody, any type of skin you can try this. अगर फिर भी आपको थोड़ा डर लगता है कि अरे मेरे स्किन पे ये सूट होगा या नहीं, then always the best idea is to do a patch test. एक दिन पहले आप अपने हैंड पे या कहीं पे भी आप थोड़ा पैच टेस्ट कर लें, एंड देन यू विल गेट टू नो कि हाउ योर स्किन इज रिएक्टिंग टू द प्रोडक्ट. सो go according to this, but I feel this is the most natural thing what your skin can get, and it is suitable for all the kind of skin types. And even you have pimple over your skin, or you have the acne over your skin, both ice rubbing and the aloe vera gel will help it. So even if you have oily skin, even if you have dry skin, both the things, both the products will definitely help you. Try this, it has benefited me, definitely it will benefit you as well. So always love your skin, pamper your skin, and love yourself. Keep your skin happier, healthier and glowing. So see you in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. See you all. Bye bye.